Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 14th on a Monday, and taking a quick look at the SPY, you can see our level of support that we bounced off of on Friday. Still feel like we have a date with this 50 period, probably going to come on the open. Kind of want to watch that, see if this market can close above that 50. The Qs have already given it up. IWM slightly above, looks very much like the SPY, but let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up well, even in this environment. Let's see, I'm liking this UUU. It uranium play, nice big relative strength bar on Friday. Look for a break of that 2-day high around 681. Uh, let's see. Also, this VNRS holding up well. This is the day after earnings. Nice up day closing, but since then it's been holding this 10 period moving average. You can see where it's bouncing off that 10 period moving average. Maybe just set your alert above that 3-day high there and see if it can get going. Good chance if it does get through that level, might want to test this monthly high there. All right, let's see. Teva is one I would like to see, almost like to see a pullback on this one to this 10 period moving average, but you can see there's earnings, 3 days of really good movement and consolidating, going sideways, not pulling back much. $10 a big psychological level, so keep an eye on that Teva there. Let's see, one other here, TTMI. Let's take a look at TTMI real quick. And there you have it. Pulled back after earnings to this level of support, closed above the 20. So let's see if this one can get back above that 10 period moving average around 1470. But that's about it for today. Keep it tight out there. Been some selling in the marketplace. This could continue. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.